Hey guys, Nick Dabas here with AdoramaTV. Today we're doing a small food spec, and what's interesting that's on this table is we're featuring the RED Komodo, which is a really awesome camera. It features small size, lightweight batteries, small CF cards, and it also comes with this adapter that has a 0.71, which allows you to make your full frame lenses expand from the Super 35. The other cool things that are on this table are the Anton Bauer micro plate, which is great because it fits perfectly right onto the back. And then we're also featuring this small HD Focus Pro 5, and what's special about this, it actually operates the actual Komodo, all the settings, which is really great because I know a lot of times when you build this camera out, it's hard to reach the small monitor that's on the back. Other accessories that are on here are the Vespid primes. And now what's special about the Vespid primes, they cover full frame. And they go to a 2.1, which is really fast for pretty standard lenses like this, especially the size and the weight of them, pretty impressive. I also have a case that it comes with, which is kind of cool. So you can carry all your lenses in there. So the lenses feel really smooth. They all have like this very nice dampening on the iris, which is very unique in this price point, and they all feel very consistent, which I'm very impressed. There's no real kinks in them. They felt a little bit more vintagey than a regular standard prime. They flare a little bit. They have a little bit of warmth to them, which is kind of cool. Also, they work really, really well with this Polar Pro matte box. And what's special about this matte box, it features these really, really thin filters, which they give you 2 sets, so a 6-stop and a variable ND, which goes from 6 to 9 stops. The power solution for the RED that I chose was the Anton Bauer 90. Now, what's special about this, they come in 3 flavors, 45, a 90, and a 150. And I chose the 90 just because it pairs well with the Vespid primes and the weight distribution, and it gives you a nice 6-hour runtime, which is really awesome. So what's special about the 1x1 hard light is that it gives you 5 times more punch than a regular soft light, which is awesome because look how small this is. It comes in a 1x1 panel, and you can put them all around. This is the cool feature about it though. It allows you to remove the front panel, and now you have actual hard magnified pixels, which generate a lot more light. So that about wraps it up, guys. Thank you for watching. I had a pleasure shooting this. I had a lot of fun playing around with all this gear. It really helped me out, especially running around lightweight handheld. Really impressed with the size of the lenses and the way they handled. Really impressed with the Litepanels 1x1 Gemini. It gave me plenty of light outside to compete with the cloudy and sunny day today that we had. And I also really impressed with the Anton Bauer batteries. Gave me a long, long run time, powered my camera, my monitor, allowed me to keep going throughout the day. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow, comment, subscribe to AdoramaTV. I'll see you next time.